Dear students, in this video I am going to explain what is refraction of light. It is one of the most important property of light. At the end of this video, you can able to tell what are the main properties of light, what are the real life examples of refraction, what is the reason for refraction, what is refraction, how can you understand the physics diagrams of refraction. Before going to understand the refraction, first I would like to explain you what are the important properties of light. They are: number 1, reflection; number 2, refraction; number 3, dispersion; number 4, interference; number 5, total internal reflection; number 6, scattering of light; number 7, polarization. What are the real life phenomena happens due to refraction? In the adjacent diagram, look at the pipe or pencil from one side of the glass. How does it look? It looks like it bends at surface of the water. Look at the second arrow mark. In the first bottle, it appears in the left direction. In the second bottle, it appears in the right direction, because when we see through glass, it appears normally. When we see through water, it appears in the reverse direction. The reason for this is refraction of light. You might have observed that a coin kept in the bottom of a vessel filled with water appears to be raised. You will be observed that when light passes through prism, it gets refracted, and also the white light divided into 7 colors. What is the reason for all this? The reason is refraction. Then, what is refraction? The process of changing speed at an interface when light travels from one medium to another, resulting in a change in direction, is refraction of light. To understand the above phenomena, let's have a look in the following diagrams. When light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. In the left side of the diagram, air is the rarer medium and glass is the denser medium. When incident ray incidents at one point at the interface of the surface, interface of the two mediums, it bends towards the normal. When light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, the light bends or change its direction away from the normal. This is because due to the refraction. Reason for the refraction. Refraction occurs due to change in the speed of the light in the medium. The extent of change in the direction is expressed in terms of refractive index. Light has different speeds at different mediums. Speed of the light depends upon the refractive index of the medium, and refractive index depends nature of the material and wavelength of the light used. Speed of the light in vacuum or in air is 3 × 10⁸ meters per second. Thank you.